Today is the day when I finally got my bumper. Look at that, guys. It's a huge box. Woo! Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see. I bought it from eBay. I paid 800 bucks. This one is 1M style bumper cover for my 645. Hey guys, meet my buddies. So I got 3 silver dollars. Hey, come on. Here's some food for you. There we go. This is James, this is Robert, and this one is Stephanie. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Probably gonna look so awesome. Alright, let's open up and see what's inside. Alright. What? Just a few. Couple of feet of bubble wraps. Cardboard. That's all. Oh guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. Oh, this holes right here. Oh my goodness. I think it's gonna look so awesome on the car. You know what? Oh, so what I hate about the aftermarket, especially on the fiberglass. Look, there is no holes for bolts. Not even here. No bolts, no holes in the for the grill. Let's check it out. So this is one we got from inside. Some kind of a sticker here. It's called Duraflex. Let's see how flexible is that. I'm afraid it's gonna crack. Looks like I already have some crack here. So this bumper, I think it's a little bit lower than OEM bumper, and if you're gonna hit something, little bump, bumper is gone. Whew. I guess I just have to go and try it on the car and see how it's gonna look like. OEM bumper, aftermarket bumper. Guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, it looks so awesome. Whoo! Let's see how it's gonna fit on the car. And so, if you look at the OEM bumper, it's made off of plastic. So pretty much it's just so flexible. And this one made off of fiberglass. And the flexibility is so limited, and if you're gonna force it, you're probably gonna break it. But the style of this bumper looks so amazing. Let's check it out. Let's put them together here. Let's see. On this bumper, it's kind of looks so weird. Headlight line right here. See how smooth it go here. And this aftermarket bumper, the lines is kind of so wavy. What is this? Huh? Looks so weird. The lines. See the line right here on the OE bumper, and this fiberglass bumper, pretty much you can't see the lines here. Right here, the holes for the mounting bracket, the holes for the front here, so it's gone. Grill. Oh my goodness, you have to do actually a lot of modification in order to make it work for that thing. But it looks so good. Ooh. Okay, let's try how it's gonna fit on the car. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. And look at the gap right here. Look, it's about 3/4 of the inch gap right here. The straight line in here, but oh my goodness. And another problem that I see that support bumper, crash bumper, it's actually doesn't want to fit on that crash bumper, so the lower bumper panel right here is just pushing into the crash bumper. Basically, in order to make it work, you need to remove a crash bumper, but which I'm not gonna do. And this side, look at this line. Look at this line. It's all wavy right here. So the headlight goes right here, and oh my goodness, it's a cheap job on a bumper cover. But they charged me $800 for this bumper cover, but the quality of this bumper is just junk. I mean, all the lines is just like no way to make it work. I think, especially paying $800 and do a lot of modification in order to make it work. Plus, look at this right here, guys. I don't know if you can see it. See the line between the grills? Look, see that? What is this? What is this? Lines right here. You see, guys? Look at that. It's all wavy. So pretty much you need to spend another good 2 days to make this bumper look good. And I already paid $800. I'm gonna send it back. It's not even worth it. Oh my goodness. Bro, look at this. Even the headlight doesn't fit. Look. Oh, check it out. Check it out, this line right here. Check it out, this line. All this line, they just go like this. All this hood line supposed to be straight, but it's all wavy. It looks so nice. Black, smoky, corner lights. Whew. Nice. Hey guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and comment below. What do you think about this bumper? Is it really worth it to keep it, or is it just better just send it back? And I'm ready to paint this car. It's gonna happen next week. Stay tuned. I will release the new video of the new paint color for that 645. $800 for that? Really?